Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to learn multiplication of vectors. There are three different types of multiplication. First one is multiplication of vector by a scalar. Second one is scalar product. Suppose multiplication of two vectors gives scalar quantity, then it is said to be scalar product. This scalar product, otherwise known as dot product. How do you represent the scalar product? Like this. A dot B is equal to C. Here C is a scalar quantity. And this scalar product is useful to find out work done in physics. What's the formula for work done? W is equal to F dot D. Then third one is vector product. Suppose the multiplication of two vector gives vector quantity, then it is said to be vector product. And this vector product, otherwise known as cross product. How do you represent the vector product? Like this. A vector cross B vector gives another vector quantity. So C is our vector quantity. This vector product is useful to find out torque in physics. So how do you represent torque? By the letter tau, that is equal to R cross F. So R and F are two vectors. So the resultant is also a vector quantity. Let us see one by one. Next one is multiplication of vector by a scalar. Consider A vector, and this A vector is multiplied by a factor lambda, means we can get lambda times A vector. What is the meaning? The magnitude of A vector is changed by the factor lambda, but the direction is same as that of A vector. Suppose lambda is a positive number. The product lambda times A vector is in the same direction of A vector. Suppose lambda is negative number. The product lambda times A vector is in the opposite direction to A vector. For example, if the A vector is multiplied by 2, means we can get 2A vector. Here the direction is same, but the magnitude is increased by 2. How do you draw this 2A vector? For example, this is my A vector. The resultant is 2A vector. So this is one A and this is another A. So this is my 2A vector. Here both the vectors are in the same direction, but the magnitude is increased by 2. Up to this clear? Suppose the vector A is multiplied by a negative number, say -1. How do you draw the vector? So this is my A vector. So minus A means, how do you draw? Like this. The magnitude is same, but the direction is opposite to A vector. Up to this clear? Certain vector quantities can be defined as scalar times another quantities. For example, You know Newton's law of motion, F is equal to ma. Here force is a vector quantity, m is a scalar quantity and a is a vector quantity. What is a? Acceleration due to gravity. Here mass is always a positive quantity, or we can say mass will never be negative. So the direction of force is in the direction of acceleration. Up to this clear? Second one, linear momentum. What's the formula for linear momentum? P is equal to mass times velocity. Here P is a linear momentum, m is a positive scalar and v is a velocity. Here also the direction of linear momentum P is in the direction of velocity. And third one is force F is equal to QE. So here F represents force and Q represents electric charge and E is electric field. Here Q can be positive charge or negative charge. Suppose if Q is positive means the force is in the same direction of E. Suppose if Q is negative means force is in the opposite direction of E. Based on the concept, on example problem is given the vector A vector is equal to 2i vector plus 3j vector, what is 3a vector? So what is given? A vector is given, A is equal to 2i vector plus 3j vector. So you have to calculate 3a vector. So 3 times a vector, 2i vector plus 3j vector. Just multiply this 3 with 2. So 6i vector plus 9j vector. Here what about the direction? The direction of the resultant vector 3a is in the direction of a vector because we have only one vector quantity. So the resultant 3a vector is in the direction of a vector. Up to this clear? Next problem, a vector A is given as in the following figure. So this is our A vector. Find 4a vector and minus 4a vector. How do you draw 4a vector? This is a vector, this is 2a vector, 3a vector and 4a vector. Okay. So this is my 4a vector. 4 times of a vector. 4 times of a vector. Next one is minus 4a vector. Just draw like this. This is minus 4a vector. Here the magnitude is same but the direction is opposite to 4a vector. This is my 4a vector. This is minus 4a vector. Up to this clear? I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.